Hello, this is Ellie Jelly and welcome back to my channel. How are you? In this tutorial, we are going to make a triangle shawl. This shawl is going to be made of this cake yarn. It's called Rosegarden and it's made by YarnArt. The color number is 314. It's 1% cotton and about 1000 meter long. Although they recommend a 3mm hook, I'm going to use 3.5mm hook for this shawl. We are going to start from the center of the shawl and we are going to make a row by row. This is a very easy project. It's only 3-row repeat. So I think that if you learn these 3 rows, you are going to be just fine and you are going to be able to make this shawl. So it's also suitable for beginners. So without further to say, let's get started. So take your yarn. I started from the middle of the cake yarn and make a slip knot and make the first 5 chains. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Join them together. You can also start with a magic ring. It's up to you, really. And we are going to make double crochets separated by chains into the middle of the ring. So first of all, chain 3. This is going to be the first double crochet. Then make 3 separation chains and make 1 double crochet into the middle of the ring. So that's the second double crochet. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and make another double crochet into the ring. Chain 3, make another double crochet into the ring and one last time, chain 3 and make the last double crochet into this ring. And I'll show you how your work looks like. It's 3 chains, 3 separation chains, 1 double crochet, 3 separation chains, 1 double crochet, 3 chains, 1 double crochet, 3 chains and 1 double crochet. So altogether 5 double crochets. And that's the first row. In row number 2, you are going to start with 6 chains, turn, find the first double crochet from the previous row, this one, and make 3 double crochet or a group of 3 double crochets into this double crochet from the previous row. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and now we are in the middle or in the center of the shawl. we are going to make 1 double crochet there. And now we are going to repeat the sequence as in the mirror. 1, 2, 3 separation chains, a group of 3 double crochets into the following double crochet, chain 3, find the 3rd chain from the previous row and make a double crochet into the chain. Your work should look like this. As you can see, we are going to create the leaves here. So it's always 3 chains. These 3 chains stand for the first double crochet, 3 separation chains, a group of 3 double crochets, 3 chains, 1 double crochet, and the rest is as in the mirror. At the end, we need to find the 3rd chain and make a double crochet there, and that's the 2nd row. The 3rd row starts again with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 chains, then turn, find the group of 3 double crochets from the previous row, make 2 double crochets into the first double crochet of the group, make a double crochet into the following stitch and make 2 double crochets into the last double crochet of the group of 3 from the previous row, and you should get 5 double crochets together. Chain 3, find the double crochet from the previous row, we are in the middle, and make a double crochet there, and we are going to repeat the same. 3 chains. Now we need to enlarge the group of 3 to a group of 5 double crochets, so 2 double crochets, then 1 double crochet into the following stitch and 2 double crochets. Chain 3, find the 3rd chain from the previous row and make a double crochet into the chain, and this is the end of the 3rd row, and your work should look like this. So as you can see, there are always 3 separation chains, and the leaf is going to enlarge, and we are going to make row number 4. Row number 4 is actually the last one, and then the pattern is going to be repeated until the desired length of your shawl. So this time you are going to make 4 chains. 3 chains stand for the first double crochet, and the 1 chain is a separation chain. Turn and make a double crochet right into the first chain to be seen, basically. 3 separation chains are going to be made, and then find the group of 5. And now we are going to find the group, going to make a group of 7 double crochets. So again, we are going to make the increases at the beginning and at the end of the group. So make 2 double crochets into the first stitch from the previous group. Then make 3 separate double crochets as you go. And into the last double crochet from the previous group of 5, make 2 double crochets. And this is the largest space of this group. In the next row, we are going to make only 5 double crochets. Continue by making 3, 1, 2, 3, and in this row, we need to make an increase also in the central double crochet from the previous row. So yarn over, make a double crochet and chain 1. Repeat this. So 1 double crochet, chain 1, and make a double crochet. And this is what you are going to do in this row whenever you see this leaf of 7, and continue as of 3 chains, and again we need to make 7 double crochets into this group, and this is made by making 2 double crochets into the first stitch, then 3 separate individual double crochets, and into the last stitch from the previous group of 5 we are going to make 2 double crochets, and this is the way how we enlarge the group to 7 double crochets. We are going to continue by making 3 separation chains, find the third chain from the previous row and make a double crochet there. And because we made a double crochet and a chain and a double crochet at the beginning of this row, we need to repeat the same at the end to get this. Your work should look like this. So a V-stitch at the beginning, so that is a double crochet, 1 chain, double crochet, again 3 separation chains, 7 double crochets, 3 separation chain. In the middle you need to make 3 double crochets separated by chain 1, and the rest is going to be the same as in the beginning of the shawl. So 3 chains, 7 double crochets, 3 chains, and a V-stitch, that is a double crochet, 1 chain, and a double crochet. And you are going to repeat these 3 rows. So now I'm going to show you how to continue in the following row, and I think it's easy to continue by making these 3 rows. So as soon as you see 7 double crochets, that's the maximum, you need to make 5 double crochets there. That is, you skip these 2 at the beginning and at the end of the group. So I'll show you how to do it in the next row. Row number 5 starts with 6 chains, turn and find the double crochet, the second double crochet from the V-stitch from the previous row, and make a group of 3 double crochets there. So as soon as you see the 1 double crochet, you need to make a group of 3 there. Separation, 3 separation chains. Then as soon as you see 7, you need to decrease. That means you have to skip the first and the last double crochet from the group and make 5 double crochets into the 5 double crochets in the center of the previous row. Chain 3, and we are in the center of the shawl. Take the first double crochet and make a group of 3 double crochets there. Chain 3, make a double crochet into the center of the shawl, and we are going to repeat the pattern, 3 separation chains, a group of 3 double crochets into the last double crochet, 3 separation chains, and again we found 7 double crochets from the previous row. We need to decrease it, so we skip the first and the last double crochet, and we are going to make 5 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Make 3 separation chains, find the first double crochet from the V-stitch from the previous row and make a group of 3 double crochets. Chain 3 and find the third chain from the previous row and make a double crochet there, and that's it. And this is how your work should look like.